My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 BMW 2 Series. This vehicle has done just over 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. To the right, we have voice control and automatic wipers. On our touchscreen, we can get quick access to media and communication, navigation and connected drive, and my vehicle and notifications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side, as well as 3 different driving modes to choose from: Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have full leather seats and a cream in black contrast interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.